My first point is that over and above the FDG issue, there's another major issue, which is that a substantial number of the GBC members are either demons or crazy. I'll explain that. My godbrother, Kalakanta Prabhu, an initiating guru within ISKCON in America, lives in America. I've known him since many, many years and respected him, looked up to him in many ways. He has publicly stated, he has given a statement to a journalist who subsequently reported what he said in a major newspaper in Britain. He publicly said that opposition to FDGs, or actually, let me just clarify, I'm not totally opposed to the idea of FDGs, but as Prabhupada said, very few exceptional cases. If they're on the level of Janava Mata, fine. Anyway, he had said that opposition to FDGs is latent misogyny. The buzzword here is misogyny, which means hatred of women as a class. So anyone who either hates all women is either a demon or is severely mentally imbalanced. So him having said this, and almost half of the GBCs who voted on this, having voted against the FDG resolution, means that a substantial number of the GBC members, if what Kalakanta Prabhu said is correct, are either demons who hate women, or they are severely mentally imbalanced. On the other hand, if what Kalakanta Prabhu said in using the word misogyny is untrue, then he and those who support him, his statement didn't go, it went unchallenged from the leadership or GBC. They're either in some kind of paranoid illusion that many members of this Krishna conscious movement are misogynists, demons, or crazy in a nasty way. So if they're in this paranoid illusion that many members, including senior members, including gurus, GBC members, sannyasis, are either demons or nastily crazy, then it would seem that they themselves are mentally imbalanced. I mean, is it really true that so many senior devotees are misogynists? They hate women? Who makes such an accusation is maybe them. If it's not true, then maybe themselves they're mentally imbalanced, or deliberately making accusations against devotees which accusing them of something horrendous. To make such an accusation, to accuse devotees of being either demons or crazy because you have some disagreement with them, well, maybe it's more expected of a demon to make such an accusation. So it appears that by this statement, it appears that one or other side is extremely badly situated. It seems that who can make such an accusation if it's not true? And personally, I don't see hatred of women within ISKCON. To make such an accusation, it almost seems like the accuser hates those he's accusing. Either way, it's inauspicious. If he is true, it's inauspicious, very inauspicious, that so many leaders of ISKCON are either demons or crazy. And if it's not true and he's just making scurrilous accusations, it's also highly inauspicious that such a senior and respected man should do such a thing. We're descending to the level of Republican versus Democratic, bordering on hatred in the United States of America.